And I'm Sophia.
Today's our 4th episode of 3 Little Birds Built the Nest.
We are going to Lowe's for supplies
And accessories.
If you haven't seen any of our past episodes, go to our channel and check us out.
Make sure you smash the subscribe button.
And tap the bell so you know whenever we upload.
Oh. Thanks for watching. We are at Lowe's. We are getting a tool belt for the house. So we have tools used. What do we need first?
And these back.
Bathroom.
Oh, I like these.
It's very important to pay attention to the cost. That is a very cool looking one, and it's $90. So we want to look
I
this.
Are we aiming for that one right there?
I like these colors. I like that.
Eva, you're
I just don't like how
point to the one we're looking at.
that one right there.
Yeah.
I just thinking these because these match the bathroom the best.
Yeah.
But we're still not sure.
These gently, heavy and down, in the carpet.
So go, Sophie. Go.
Oh, she got a pole.
She got a pole. Trying to get it.
Oh my god.
We got it.
Okay, that was meant to be. There were exactly 8. That's exactly what we needed. We got our lights.
Shakalaka.
Okay, we need, that's for our bathroom. So
Someone's definitely gonna break something during
It's probably gonna be me.
no, it's probably going to be Annie. She has a clutch here. Okay, so we
So-
have our bathroom and our bedroom lights.
We have decided on these. These are the final ones. And now we are going to go get a chandelier.
I put that blue one in my room.
I'm coming, but chill. Wow, this is really out of focus. Okay,
So-
oh my gosh, that is very outgoing.
We might want to just wait. Why don't we wait until we figure out what we're doing with our kitchen design and our cabinetry, and then we'll get a different. We'll go find the light fixture that's going to fit everything.
Yeah.
Ooh. All right, so we're good with this. Let's go get our tool belts.
Two belts. Two belts. Two belts. Let's go this way. Two belt time. Two belt time with the B team. Here, do you guys think the word shingles makes you? Whenever
We're
somebody says the
editing
word
that out.
shingles, it makes me shingles.
So here's whole little girly tool sets for $25.
Girly tool set.
Oh, I love this.
I'd get the purple one.
I think you want a tool belt because when we're there working, you want it. It's really
You want it
nice
really
to have
convenient.
It right on your hip.
And you can just pull it out, fling it up, catch it.
I'm not sure that's quite how it
I
works.
see that in movies. Where they
Yeah.
just pull it out, fling it up, catch it.
Oh, Annie, honey.
Here's all of our tape measures. So we don't need giant ones.
I want a colorful
We
one.
don't need teeny tiny ones either. We could flip up the sizes if you want, but those little green ones down there are probably a really nice one.
an ugly green.
Those are $5 and $6.
Oh, and these
Or you
don't
can
go
get
back like really fast. Like
these
you know how they
probably?
usually
You
go
can have
back.
it on
They're just
two
little
different
tiny
settings,
ones.
yeah.
They're only.
Do you want a little one like that?
This one like this.
I think this is a good
Are only
But that's about as long as you're gonna
$6,
need it,
which this is probably the
three.
ones that we're gonna
We
get.
need one more.
Well, how long is that one, Amy?
I think they're the same thing. Oh no, wait. No.
12 foot. So I would probably pay the extra $1 and get a 16 foot.
Yeah.
What's the one bigger than that? 25?
25 foot.
I'd probably get a 25 foot.
Okay, let's get a 25 foot then.
Did you need help?
Oh, we're just learning about tools today. How
Okay.
exciting, huh?
Yeah.
They do want tool belts. Do you know where are the tool belts?
They are kind of, there's like a little wall right here.
Yeah.
It's on the other side.
We will get there.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
I've got a stud finder. We're fine with that.
We have a stud finder, so we do not need that. Screwdrivers. Dang, how long is that?
What is this
God.
used for?
Jeez.
Yeah, that's, you know, if it's like something's really
Could we
far
get
away.
these or something?
I think that's perfect. So I think we each need one of those as a Phillip and one as a flathead.
So we're just doing these as Phillips and flatheads.
Well, which one is that one you got in recommend?
Flathead.
That's the flathead.
This
So
is
we
the
need 4 of those. So we've got, what else we talk? We need razor blades. What else do we
Chalk.
talk about?
You got the
Those are the
Yeah.
flatheads, babe.
Oh yeah. And you know what?
Okay.
Are they like exact?
Flatheads. So 2 of us
Here,
will
I
have
saw some
small
back
ones,
here,
and 2 of
I
us
think.
will have big ones, big Phillip heads.
Wait.
We're moving backwards.
These things?
Yes, perfect.
Exacto knife.
That's not an
Well, I call it an exacto knife, so chill.
Here's a utility knife. I like the color.
Black.
Yeah, so it's $10. So
Oh, yeah,
that's fine.
Let's
Let's look at what
not.
the other ones cost.
So that'd be $40.
There's one that's
There's one that's like $6.
$7. There's a little guy that's $5.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Nothing can break. Nothing can break.
What the heck?
Well, here, these are 2 for $7.
2 for $7, so we can
Oh,
get
looks like a good
$14.
deal.
Look at
These.
Let's not hurt
Nice.
each other with it, okay, children?
And then we're having these. Whoa. Oh my god. I so need this.
We're not getting
I so need this.
It's a rubber. We have one at the house.
Wait. Except
That's-
for it's metal.
It's not.
These hammers. I think they're like $5 or $10 each. But we're only getting 3 because our mom has one at the house.
I was thinking better get this guy.
Okay, so let's think on the list. We needed hammers. We got those screwdrivers. We got tape measures. We got pocket knives.
Now
What
we
else
need
do
an actual belt.
I know we need a tool belt for sure. These are also $5.98. These are not bad.
I like these.
These are
I like the other ones. What do you guys think? This one? Or the other ones? I like the other ones. But I don't know what we're gonna get. Change of plans, guys. We're getting these. Instead the other wood ones. Kind of mad about that because I like the wood ones better. Okay.
Are we gonna paint or are we gonna? We're gonna find out if that's worth our time or if it's worth it to pay somebody else to do it. Here is our scrapers.
Oh, never mind. We don't have to go to Sharon. Wait, do we still need to
The
go to
joint knife.
that Williams place?
Wow, guys,
Where's
6
our
inches.
scrapers? I don't.
Oh my god.
I only see exactor steps.
Okay, these are for your guys' toolbox. Tool belts. The little
What
ones.
is that for?
Yeah.
What's that for?
They're good for like everything. They're good for like everything.
Do we still need to go to Sharon Williams or whatever that place is?
I don't know. Well, that we probably will.
So this is what me, Sophia, and Annie are getting for all our toolboxes.
Here we go.
There's just little ones. I don't really know why, but yeah. He said they're good for everything.
Absolutely everything.
And then this is what our mom is getting. It's like this big one for her since she's an adult and we're little children. Do we need a pencil? Do we need like one of those writing pencils things? Can I get a Sharpie too?
I want a pencil, not a Sharpie.
Well, here's a jumbo finishing pencil.
Probably in a
But we don't.
These are generally the kind that we want.
Dixon? Carpenter pencils. That
we
has
get
6 in them, so
one pack of 6 or like
good enough.
one pack?
So getting these Dixon carpenter pencils, they have 6 in them. So we each will get 2, 4, 6, something like 1 or 2 or something. Oh, it's $1 more. Never mind.
It's less than $1 more.
We are still getting these, the same brands and stuff, just it'll have 20, but it's only $1 more, so it's chill. Oh, found them!
Yeah, I found one too.
Oh, we should get these.
That's if we lay tile or if we do floors, that'll help our knees a lot.
Yeah.
So we're getting like
We
this.
should like decorate them just so we know who's who.
I definitely agree. But we're not getting those are $50.
Really?
I like the brown ones.
Ew, they were ugly.
Actually,
I'm
like it.
listening to you.
Very ugly.
This is why we don't trust you.
We should get this. This isn't that bad. But that's like, look how ugly that is.
$90.
I'm sorry that I'm expensive.
What about the one at the bottom? You guys could decorate those markers.
I mean, it's not the best looking one, but yeah, it's okay.
Good.
It's only like 14 something.
This, please.
Yeah. I'm
Kind of
digging
digging it.
these. I'm digging these. Can you guys do these? And I have fabric markers at the office, and you guys can decorate them. Yes?
Do you have
Or-
one? Do you have one? Wait, I need
And you want these? We want 3 of these, so it has the belt and everything is in it.
Hey, no, stop. No, stop.
Let's zoom in on Eva's face.
I don't know where my tool belt is. I haven't worn my tool belt in a million years.
You're a million.
Well, a million and like 20.
Can I take it off? What if it doesn't fit me?
I'll just grab a different one.
Put that in the back.
Here, no. Give me the piece.
It's all in the brown.
It shouldn't break that easy. I'm talking about it.
Yeah, just don't try it
Chat, just chat. Test it. He works here.
You're so tall.
It's a kid chat. Test it, but try not to break it.
I'll test it.
Sophie, you
take
this. Close. Okay, that's all there is to it. We gotta work on your grip strength. I didn't say to do that, and I just said open and close.
Can you do it?
Weekly.
Open. Close. Would you like to try it?
No.
Wait, I
I
can't.
bet you I could do it, but no.
Ow. Wait, each time I try and close it, it's just like...
See, Annabelle can do it, and she's younger.
Oh, that was easy.
Open. Eva, pay attention to what you're doing. Push them together.
I can't use my fingers.
It's because you have small hands. But
No, I got it.
Well, you're doing that, but you need to push it this way. So again,
What?
you're not paying attention. Like if I did this and tried to pull, look, together, and this way.
How do you close it? How do you use the same hand? Oh, I got it. Now I just need to close it without breaking it.
Yeah, watch your fingers. Don't mush your fingers in there. There you
it's
go.
like
Pull it
Eva
from
cuts her
back there.
finger.
I can't close it.
You flinched there. You were
Got
like,
it.
You're good. You're good. All right.
Got it.
Eva, get the camera now.
I'm dancing. Excuse me. Stop. This is what happens when mom gives up the camera. So we are going to Sharon Williams, I think that's what it's called. to find wallpaper remover. We could not find any here. We literally looked everywhere. Could not find it. So we're gonna go look at Sharon Williams and see if we can find it.
We have an LAR. So, yep.
An LAR? What's that?
Lowe's account receivable, I believe. Can we take it up to her? She's going to help us with it. It just means that we have an account at Lowe's that tells them we'll pay them.
So we are leaving Lowe's now. With like $451 or something.
The Wild Adventures of...
So we just left. That woman took forever to ring up the stuff. She was so slow. She's like, I'm sorry, but like, she's like, I have to do everything individually, man. And it just made me really mad.
Hey.
I can diss who I want.